Crypto insurance is the next high growth vertical inside crypto because only 1% of all investments is covered. And there's most definitely a need, as pointed out by this article, to have insurance because in decentralized finance, more than $2 billion were lost this year. So Dan Thompson, who is the CMO of centralized cover protocol insured, is pointing out the massive disparity between the total value locked in crypto and centralized finance protocols and the percentage of total value locked with insurance coverage. I would love to have my staking pool insured, but there has to be a minimum amount before one of the insurance providers will consider covering it. So it's not as easy as they say. But anyway, I generally agree with his article, so let's just read more of it. So actually, he says it's 1% of crypto is insured and 3% of DeFi is insured. So there's a slight difference, but still 3% is nothing. So Insured Ace covered 155 investors of USD when the crypto depegged, and they paid out $11.7 million. This is really good PR. They should run ads on this kind of news. Like right now, I just see ads for Certic. Those guys are desperate. Something I agree with because one of my family members works in insurance or traditional insurance. Thompson says, I do not believe the larger traditional insurance companies will develop their own native apps for the space, but will prefer to offer a type of reinsurance as a way of getting exposure. Obviously, I don't work in the insurance sector, but my family member does, and I know it's something that he would be interested in. It's interesting because he just says something here, which is what I was talking about earlier with my problems with my staking pool. Capacities are limited by underrating, which is something traditionally done with reinsurance, but in DeFi it's done by stakers and therefore limited by total value lock, which makes it hard for most protocols to build sufficient liquidity. Yeah, that's my problem. So they're actually looking to solve this. So to fix this, we will be one of the first protocols able to bridge back to gain access to the traditional reinsurance to supplement our existing underwriting from staked assets. Cool. I should look into insurance again.